I want to create is basically using speech to text. So put a picture, again you can copy it or snip it and paste it on the whiteboard. So let's say there's an apple. Right? And then make sure as a teacher you turn on, go to more settings, or on the board you have to enable speech to text. Okay, and click save, and that's it. So now when the student goes to that, this is the student board, and the student goes to that board, right, they can just use the text tool here again, and click it, and then it will give them an option with a microphone so they can talk. Apple, apple. Better accent is this one. Apple. Right, so you can see that it actually recognizes the word apple, and that's it.